The fog pulls tight round the ferry's frame. A ghost on water, it knows my name. Rain on Elliott Bay, soft as blame. It falls like whispers, like I'm to blame. I walk the streets where the lamplight dies. Every shadow's a question, every answer's a lie. Seattle sighs, and I sigh too. The sky wears grey like I wear you. No stars tonight, just the glow of blue. Seattle sighs and I sigh too. Cobblestones slick, they shine like tears. Steps echo loud, but no one hears. Windows lit like forgotten years. Their warmth feels foreign, their comfort steers. The space between the drops, it's where I live. A life of almost with nothing to give. Seattle sighs and I